Needless to say, our lungs are a very important organ. It is through them that our breaths are powered. Consequently, our lungs are also sucking in harmful elements from the air around us. Thus, it is important that we choose foods to cleanse our lungs, so as to reduce common lung diseases that may result as a result of this inhalation. Respiratory problems such as asthma, bronchitis, pneumonia and cystic fibrosis are just some of the diseases we need to avoid. Thanks to regular exercises, trying to avoid pollution and not smoking, many people manage to avoid these diseases. In order to succeed even further in this endeavor, it is also important to maintain a healthy diet. There are some foods which are great for good lung health. Let us discuss some of them in more detail. First is garlic. Garlic has various anti-inflammatory properties along with a high level of allicin. This helps to fight infections and reduces inflammation. Garlic has also been considered by many as being effective in improving asthma and can help to reduce the risk of lung cancer. Second is ginger. Ginger will help to clear your lungs thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. You can add ginger to various dishes as it is a widely used herb. You can also use it to prepare ginger root tea blended with some lemon. This helps a great deal to remove toxins from the respiratory tract. Third is turmeric. Just like ginger and garlic, this spice is great for your lungs due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Fourth is apples. Apples contain various vitamins as well as flavonoids that can help maintain a healthy respiratory system. They also help to prevent the development of different lung diseases. Fifth is dark berries. Berries such as blackberries, blueberries and raspberries are rich in antioxidants. They help to reduce the risk of lung cancer as well as other infections and diseases. Sixth is grapefruit. This fruit is simply great as it contains a lot of lung-supporting minerals and vitamins. If your lungs have been affected by carcinogens, grapefruit will help to cleanse your lungs. Seventh is chili and curry. They are both great for lung detoxification. Since they are spicy, they will essentially liquefy any mucus in your lungs, throat and nose. Eighth is onions. Onions are rich in folic acid as well as vitamins B6 and C. They thus offer various health benefits and are also known to help fight against lung cancer development too. Ninth is cruciferous vegetables. All vegetables that derive from the cabbage family are referred to as cruciferous vegetables. These include broccoli and cauliflowers, for example. All these vegetables are literally packed with antioxidants. These work to cleanse the body, including your lungs, from toxins. 10th is water. Last but not least, water is very important to cleanse your lungs. Rather than drinking soda, coffee, alcohol, or other beverages, you should opt for water. It is an excellent source of hydration and it accelerates the detoxification process. If you are not used to drinking clear water or maybe you hate that plain taste, you can add some flavor to it by adding some drops of lemon juice.